Oke guys, kembali lagi di channel Yudi Martono. Pada kesempatan kali ini kita berada di area Villa Puncak Trawas, dan kita akan melakukan perjalanan di pertigaan Trawas hingga ke puncak Villa Celaket ya. Ikuti keseruannya hingga sampai tujuan, dan terima kasih sudah menonton videonya.
Utamakan keselamatan karena keluarga menanti di rumah. Ingat bahwa batas kecepatan bukanlah tantangan. Kawasan pegunungan Trawas di Mojokerto memang sejuk dan indah, namun menyimpan sejumlah risiko medan dan alam. Agar aman saat berkunjung, pastikan Anda mewaspadai tanjakan curam, jalur ekstrim perbatasan, dan potensi cuaca ekstrim di sekitar lereng Gunung Penanggungan serta Gunung Welirang. Inside of me, you better watch out. If your enemies are road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beat the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets cause real big, gets off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored. There's the blood and gold, always wanting more. Feeding from the source, they don't really understand until they feel it for the party. And if you start shit, you be hard lived in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped, you be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. It'll kill when I'm desperate.
Pump up the baseline.